Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. In today's video, we're going to be looking at smart contracts. We're going to look at what they are and how they work. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know by leaving a comment in the comments down below. Now let's jump into it. With the invention of blockchain, smart contracts have become one of the most sought-after technologies. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts between a buyer and seller based on a set of agreements. Unlike traditional contracts, smart contracts are capable of reducing risk, hence cutting services and administration costs. So for example, you can program a smart contract to release funds if someone confirms receiving goods and services offered to them. The agreements are executed directly into lines of codes as part of a distributed, decentralized blockchain network. By doing this, smart contracts eliminate the need for trust among anonymous parties involved in a transaction. Smart contracts are cost-efficient and reliable because they take advantage of blockchain ledgers and other distributed ledger technologies. So how do smart contracts work? 10 years before the invention of Bitcoin and blockchain, Nick Sabero made one of the earliest attempts to create a decentralized virtual currency, BitGold, in 1998. Sabero coined the phrase smart contracts to refer to a set of promises specified in digital form, including protocols within which the parties would perform on these promises. Smart contracts work the same way the transfer of value through an asset or virtual currency is done on a blockchain. The deployment of the contract starts by transferring value from a blockchain wallet. The transaction includes a compiled code with the agreement set for the transaction and a special receiver address. The receiver address refers to the blockchain wallet address of the recipient, who must only receive the transferred value based on the set of agreements included in the compiled code. The transaction is then included in a block added to the blockchain, and the compiled code is executed to establish the original initial state of the smart contract. It's important to note that once deployed, neither party can update the smart contracts. This makes it tamper-proof and ensures that all parties stick to the initial agreement contained within the smart contract. Once the agreements are met, the receiver address will be credited with the value transferred to them. Now, there are still many challenges in the implementation and application of smart contracts that are yet to be addressed to make them more efficient. But most of these challenges are based on the legal uncertainty of the technology. Smart contracts have proven to be important in establishing trust and automation of contracts based on complex terms. Its integration with other emerging technologies has developed a growing interest in the academic and tech industry. Most creators embrace the idea of integrating smart contracts with IoT devices and technologies. The combination of blockchain and IoT devices can bring significant changes to different industries. However, it is important to note that smart contracts are not legally binding. The main goal of smart contracts is to enforce the requirements of the contracts programmatically. But to ensure that the agreement is legally binding, then legal steps have to be undertaken with both parties involved. Smart contracts offer several advantages over traditional arrangements. They're cost-effective, provide autonomy, are reliable, and have an excellent processing speed that enterprises can use to manage transactions. So there we have it. We've taken a look at what smart contracts are and how they work. Once again, if you found this topic interesting, then you can let us know if you haven't already by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.